Hello YouTube peoples, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my another video. Previous week one of my subscriber requested to me to make a video about Kali Linux, how to run Kali Linux on any Android operating system. So today in this video I will try to teaching you how to run Kali Linux in any Android operating system by using SD card without TWRP, but you need a rooted device and Super SU it's must needed. Okay, if you have no idea what is root, how to do root your device and what kind of advantage and disadvantage have a rooted user, check it out my YouTube or website, because I already uploaded couple of videos about that. So if you are a new visitor in my YouTube channel, please hit the like, subscribe button and on notification. Help me to achieve 1k subscribers as soon as possible, and stay home, stay safe. Let's start from intro. Stay here. First of all, you need to download image file, then open folder where your image file, then right click on zip file, click on extract here, wait 22 minutes, then insert your SD card into PC, then right click on SD card, click format, then format your SD card in EXTF. Okay, so IDP type white necessary. So here you can see our zip file size around 5.6 GB. You cannot copy this file in SD card, you cannot move this file into your SD card. For that you have to format your SD card. So copy or cut this file and make a folder into your SD card. Paste into folder. It will take few minutes. So here is our image file around 5.6 GB. Then jump on your phone, open file manager and open folder where you paste your image file, then rename your folder. You can leave it as a default as you wish. Then rename image file. Right here Kali Linux and don't remove IMG extension. Once it complete, then open Super SU, configure it and then open BusyBox, click grant. It will take 1 to 2 seconds to configure the BusyBox. Then click on install, wait 22 seconds. After complete, open mix, allow, menu, SD card, folder, image file, hold on, then click here and then grant, hold on path link, copy the path link, then open Linux deploy, allow, wait for creating environment. Once it's complete, then open menu down here, select Kali, don't touch here, and then select installation path, open it and paste here your path link. I repeat again how to paste here your path link. Open mix, hold on image, then menu, then hold on path link and paste it here. Paste here, then OK. Then click on user name, rename it, write here root and set a password as you wish. Don't touch here. Then select mark GUI BNC. This is a screen resolution. You can change anytime if you want. So our configuring complete, and menu, click on install. Make sure connect your device with internet. You need internet connection, because without internet connection you cannot install Kali Linux on your device. It will take 15 to 30 minutes, depend on file. Here I have a basic image file, another one is full file. So if you have a PC, you download full image file, it's maybe 2.2 GB, and basic image file maybe 700 megabyte MB, like that. Our installation process 99% and complete. So here you can see and packet, it means installation complete. So then click on start to run your Kali Linux, and then open BNC app. Next, get a start. Click on plus icon, write here localhost, set a name, connect, then click on OK, put your password, this password you have to put on BNC, put your password here and click on connect. So